Okay, the first thing you need is a chopped onion. I am actually going to blend it, but chopping it is just fine. Okay, so I've got my onion going into a pan, some hot oil. I'm going to add a little bit of ginger and a little bit of garlic. Give that a mix up, let it caramelize for a little bit, and then take a look at the spices. So this is cumin and coriander, about 2 or 3 grams of each, and turmeric. So this is just normal cayenne pepper. Now I like a good spicy curry, so I put in a couple of grams of that. Spices and a little bit of blended tomato, kind of tomato paste. You can put in just whole tomatoes if you want it a bit chunkier. Time for the chicken. Put it in, get this thing cooking. You could use chickpeas or lamb or other stuff. All good. Okay, last step. The chicken is looking good and cooked, so we've got some coconut milk ready to go in. I'm going to put in about half a tin. Turn the heat down a little bit. Wait for the rice. And here we go, the finished meal. Some basmati rice, the curry, and a naan bread. Great.